everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. This video is going to be all about packing for Trinidad Carnival. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff going on behind me. The suitcase on the side is for my friends and family, things I'm taking down for them. And this suitcase is going to be my main suitcase with all my clothes and stuff. Just a disclaimer, I'm not the best at packing. I typically am always overweight when I pack, but I'll show you guys what I bring with me and how I pack it into my suitcase. So if you like to see, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So my first tip for packing is try to take flats. I'm taking these two sandals, white and goldish color and black and gold, and they're typically gonna go with all my outfits. So I'm gonna put them in this plastic bag. I also have my flip-flops that I'm gonna just rest in the bag, as well as my other pair of flip-flops. I also have this colorful pair of sandals I'm gonna put in here as well. Another tip that I have for my Fed outfits, I usually have them together, wrapped together in a bag, and I label what Fed is for. So once I get down there, I can just pick out an outfit for an event and know what it is. And actually in this bag, I have two options to go with this pants. So you can separate your outfits like that as well if you're not 100% sure. It's based on how you feel that day, but have an idea of what you want to wear to the Fed per event. So I'm just going to put all my Fed outfits in. I didn't record myself creating these, but I have mugs for the road. And I decorated some sunglasses for my sister. Another one. Here's another one. My Monday wear boots. I also have all of my makeup and all of my toiletries in here. So change of plans to fit more stuff. I'm going to put the boots and the cups in my carry-on bag. So pretty much once you have your Fed outfits down packed and your hanging out clothes down packed, you can just more or less just place everything inside the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. I'm taking one clutch and one crossbody bag. So pretty much I'm done with packing. This is the way I typically pack. I have a carry-on bag, I have my regular check-in bag, and I have my backpack. I hope this video was helpful. The way I pack is not the best, but is the way I do it. The things you should focus on is separating your Fed outfits and limiting the number of shoes you take. So I try to take shoes that go with multiple outfits to lessen my overpacking. I have all my makeup and toiletries in one thing. You can mix and match different bottoms to go with different things. I have only two purses that I'm taking. So pretty much that's the way I pack. I hope this video was helpful. My flight is tomorrow. I'm gonna try to finish up here and get some rest. Hopefully put this video up before I leave. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in Trinidad. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully at the airport or in Trinidad. See you guys in my next video.